Good morning. Welcome back to my kitchen. Hi, Sammy. Don't we start every video like this? Of course we do. Let me show you my sprouts. Here's my sprouts. I think this is day 4. Yep. I'm wanting them to green up a little bit more, so I've kind of had it in indirect light, but not as much that I think it needs now. I think it needs more light. But plus I started me a second batch. This is my second batch. That way I can want to finish that one and start on this one. So that kind of made me think about yesterday. I ate a fixed pizza. You probably have already seen that video. And I bought a new salad the other day. When was it? I guess when I was at Walmart or somewhere. Anyway, I bought a salad, organic, in the tub, and I put it in the little refrigerator in the casita, and it froze. And just like, ooh, it upsets me so. And I was thinking, you know, an easy and cheaper way to eat greens is with sprouts. And in that class the other day when I went up there, you know, I've put sprouts on. I have all different kinds of sprouts, and I've sprouted for years. And I put them on sandwiches. I put them in smoothies. Just eat them by themselves. You know, I get in the refrigerator and I'll just chomp on some. I'm trying to think what else I've done with them. But anyway, the guy made just a blueberry sprout salad. So good. And he put a blueberry vinaigrette dressing on it. We just ate the salad, making my mouth water. I can't wait for this because I want to make some. I bought some blueberries and had some walnuts in there. So it was really good. And so you could just eat a salad of those and not spend that money at the store. Yeah, I was upset. I was so looking forward to a little pizza and a bigger salad. And that didn't happen, so I ended up eating that whole pizza. But anyway, I digress. So the wind is horrible today, 20 to 30 miles per hour, 40 gusts, I think, I don't know. It's bad. Not where you want to go outside. It's 73 in here now, but I just boiled some eggs. Just boiled me some eggs because I'm going to make, for our snack today, some tuna salad. I've shown this can before and I've never used it. So there are some cans that we hauled around with us for a while and the date got away from us. So this is best if used by, it doesn't say it expires. It says best if used by August 20 something 2023. You're like, oh no. And we date them, but somehow this can and some of the salmon or the trout got overlooked. So there's nothing wrong with the can. You know, always inspect the can, the lid, especially if it's a pull top. There's no bulging, you know. So this product is fine. I'm going to open it up and show you because I'm going to make some tuna. This is tuna in water. All right. Live on camera. Oh, that looks good. And I don't know if the water is going to pour out. I'll show you. Oops. Look at that. Yeah, it is going to pour out. I'll pour that out, but there's nothing wrong with that tuna. So just because it has a date on it doesn't mean that it expires. Best by date. And all that can mean too is there might be a little bit of different coloration to the product, or it could lose some of its nutrients values or something like that. But Google it. Google best by dates versus expiration dates, or dates they put on the can. What do y'all like in your tuna fish? Come on out of there, little tuna. Little tuna. Tastes like tuna. Some mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Sammy says, I'm coming down here because you're cooking. I'm not really cooking, but garlic powder. I'm going to open one of these eggs up. Peel this egg. Get my laptop out of the way. So you could put some sprouts in your tuna fish or on your tuna fish sandwich. But mine aren't really ready. I'm going to give it one more day to green up a little bit. 1 or 2 more days. We'll see. We shall see. I don't have any dill relish, which I need to put that on the list. I am going to go do some pantry staple shopping in the next couple of days. So I'm going to bring y'all with me, show you what I find. I just used this 1 can of tuna fish. And I've started, if you were with me last summer, I started building my pantry here. And in my casita here. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. What did I use this for? And beautiful, beautiful. I don't know why I don't cook boiled eggs more, because I really do like them. Hard boiled eggs, deviled eggs. I need to start doing that more. Cut this egg up. Oh, about building my pantry. So when things are on sale, I'm able to now build the pantry, stock my pantry. And my pantry is a rotating pantry. And I shop my pantry first. And when I shop my pantry, I've shopped for sales items. I bought them on sale. So our local grocery has tuna fish on sale this week. And chicken thighs and chicken legs for 90-something cents. I can't remember. I'll have to look again. Well, I'll show you the ads and all that, but I think I was saying I don't have I'm all over the place this morning. But I don't have dill. I don't have sweet relish. I only have dill pickles, hamburger slices. So I'm going to cut some of those up and put in here. And tell me what else y'all put in your tuna fish. Usually that's about it on tuna fish. Like chicken salad, I'll put sometimes grapes or apples. I could put, no, I don't have any apples. But today it's just going to be dill pickle, egg, tuna, mayo. Oh, a little bit of onion. Do I have onion? I mean, not onion. Lemon. Oh, that one I need to use up. It's starting to become petrified. Petrified lemon. Gonna add the pickles and be done. So today is what we call jammy day because it is nasty outside. Nasty, nasty. I don't know if you can hear it and see me rocking back and forth. It's pretty bad. What did I say? Boy, I go through the pickles when I have them. I like them. I like them a lot. I need to do dishes. I have no forks clean except the one in the... So I'm going to hang out inside the camper today. I'm going to do some reading. I'm going to do some artwork. But I do the Draw With Me. If y'all have ever seen any of my little artwork on the channel. I missed Draw With Me this week, but these pickles are making my mouth water. Before we left Quartzsite, I had purchased a art class from Sketchbook School on using dip pens. Dip pens. This is a dip pen. And it's a 3-hour class. And I didn't get to do it while I was in Quartzsite because it was on a Saturday and that was the last QIA. So I went ahead and bought it, and you can access it anytime. So I did about an hour yesterday, and I'm going to do an hour or so today, and then tomorrow, and finish that class. And I learned some important information about using the dip pen. You got to clean the nibs before you use them. I didn't know that. There's a protective coating on them. Yeah. So that was beneficial just to learn that. And what kind of paper you use. It's so cold in here. Well, 71. But my heater just came on, so I'm going to have to turn that off. I don't need it anymore. My furnace. Alright. So I'll probably bring you along a little bit with me just hanging out in the camper today. I'm cooking Sammy's food in the Instapot. Put that on some smashed bread. I bought it I don't remember where I bought it. Before I made that homemade bread. But we're just going to have like a half a sandwich. Early, since we just had fruit for breakfast. And then I think it might be spaghetti tonight. Got some of that leftover Italian sausage. I think I'll make a spaghetti with the Italian sausage, so it'll be meat sauce. Alright. I hadn't had tuna in a long time. Good stuff. Okay, we are drawing a old Nikon camera. So let's begin.
That's kind of nice.
This light is not going to be good.
Drawing this sort of little retaining ring or something, whatever it is that's here. And then I look down here and I see, okay, there's a shape that comes down here and goes to the top part here. So I'm going to start going down the side here then.
So tonight I am cooking spaghetti with the leftovers, not all this, some leftover of that Italian sausage. So I'm just using that. I think I got this for, I can't remember. It was one of my last grocery hauls. Was it 2 for $3? Something like that. Some angel hair pasta. Gonna go into the boiling water, and then I'll drain it and then add some of the pizza sauce with the Italian sausage. I cooked that last night. We had pizza. So far our meal plan this week is going as planned. So I can't remember what was the first night. Pizza one night and spaghetti, using up what we use for pizza sauce. So let's make some spaghetti. There's dinner. Yeah, and I already told you about my salad. I bought the salad to go with my spaghetti and it froze, so no salad. Just spaghetti.